In today's video, we will be talking about vitamins that can help with healing damaged nerves. We will discuss the top 6 vitamins that can help repair nerves and keep our nervous system healthy. These vitamins are essential for nerve growth and maintenance and can help relieve symptoms of nerve damage. Our nervous system is one of the most important parts of our body, responsible for sending and receiving signals to and from the brain. Like any other part of our body, it requires proper nourishment to function optimally. So, without further ado, here are the top 6 vitamins for repairing damaged nerves. Number 6. Vitamin K Phylloquinone. A vital component of blood coagulation, bone health, and cardiovascular health is fat-soluble vitamin K. However, current studies suggest that vitamin K may also be essential for nerve regeneration and repair, vital functions for vitamin K in the body. Vitamin K is referred to as the clotting vitamin, since it is essential for blood clotting. Vitamin K comes in 2 major types: Phylloquinone vitamin K1 and menaquinone vitamin K2. While vitamin K2 is created by bacteria in the stomach and is also present in animal products, vitamin K1 is only found in leafy green vegetables. When a blood vessel is injured, vitamin K helps stop bleeding by activating clotting factors. This is an essential part of the body's clotting mechanism. Additionally, vitamin K and nerve regeneration work together to keep calcium in the bones and out of the arteries, lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease. Information is transmitted by neurons in the neurological system. The body and glial cells that support and shield the neurons when they are harmed often require help from the body's repair mechanisms. Studies have shown that vitamin K has a role in the production of a protein called Gas6, which is essential for the survival and regeneration of nerve cells. Gas6 also helps in the activation of a protein called ACT. When vitamin K levels are low, Gas6 levels are decreased, and nerve cells may not be able to repair themselves as effectively. But how can we ensure to get enough vitamin K to support cell survival and regeneration? Most people can get enough vitamin K through their diet, especially if they eat a variety of green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli. Other sources of vitamin K include liver, eggs, and cheese. The recommended daily intake of vitamin K for adults is 90 micrograms for women and 120 micrograms for men. Number 5. Vitamin B12 Cobalamin. Vitamin B12, which is also known as cobalamin, is also essential for our nerve health. Vitamin B12 plays an important role in the maintenance and repair of the nerve cells and the development of the myelin sheath. The myelin sheath helps speed up the transmission of nerve impulses, allowing for efficient communication between nerve cells. Vitamin B12 is a major component in the growth and repair of nerve cells. Number 4. Vitamin E. As an antioxidant that helps protect the body from the damaging effects of free radicals, vitamin E, also known as alpha-tocopherol, is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for maintaining healthy nerve function. According to studies, vitamin E may help restore damaged nerves and lessen the symptoms of neuropathy. The benefits of vitamin E's antioxidant elements are numerous. Firstly, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that has multiple beneficial effects. Vitamin E can help prevent or lessen the risk of nerve damage by neutralizing free radicals, which helps protect the body from their harmful effects. Additionally, vitamin E has great inflammation-fighting properties. It contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and encourage recovery in cases of trauma or infection. This is vital to the body, as when inflammation persists, it can harm nerve cells and result in neuropathy. Thirdly, vitamin E increases blood flow throughout the body, which is important as nerve cells need a regular flow of oxygen. Nutritional deficiencies and insufficient blood flow can cause nerve damage. Vitamin E helps increase blood flow by widening blood vessels and reducing the stickiness of blood platelets, which can help prevent damage and neuropathy. Vitamin E helps protect myelin from harm caused by free radicals and other toxins. Myelin is a protective sheath that covers nerve endings. All these functions aid in supporting faster nerve regeneration. Although nerves can regenerate and repair themselves, this process can be difficult and slow. In one study published in the Journal of Clinical Neurosciology, researchers found that vitamin E supplements improve the speed of nerve conduction in patients with diabetic neuropathy. Another study published in the Journal of the Peripheral Nervous System found that vitamin E supplements helped improve recovery from some of the after effects of chemotherapy. Vitamin E can support nerve regeneration by promoting the growth of new blood vessels and stimulating the production of nerve growth factors. Number 3. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that contains calcium. It is important in maintaining bone health, controlling blood levels of calcium and phosphorus, and boosting the immune system. It is necessary for the effective functioning of the human body. However, recent studies have indicated that vitamin D may also be essential for healing damaged neurons. Damaged nerves can result in several illnesses, including neuropathy, multiple sclerosis, and Parkinson's disease. It has been shown that vitamin D is of great importance for the maintenance and regeneration of injured nerves. Studies have shown it promotes the regeneration of damaged nerve cells in mice. The researchers discovered that vitamin D increased the production of nerve growth factors and supported the growth of new nerve cells in the damaged areas of the mouse brain. Nerve growth factors are important for the growth and survival of nerve cells. Vitamin D also promotes the formation of myelin. Additionally, another study found that vitamin D may be able to protect against the damaging effects of oxidative stress on nerve cells. This study was published in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. Other studies have also suggested that vitamin D may be able to prevent nerve damage occurring in the first place. Neurologists discovered that peripheral neuropathy, a disorder in which the nerves in the legs and arms become damaged, was more likely to develop in people with low vitamin D levels. These findings suggest that to preserve healthy feet and hands, it may be necessary to have enough vitamin D to prevent and cure nerve damage. How can you be sure you're receiving enough vitamin D then? Exposure to sunlight is the main source of vitamin D. The liver and kidneys hydroxylate vitamin D3 produced by the skin when it is exposed to sunlight into its active form. However, many people don't get enough sunlight exposure due to lifestyle habits. In this instance, vitamin D supplements can also be of great help. Number 2. Vitamin C. Here are several ways that vitamin C can help regenerate nerves. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a vitamin that is soluble in water and plays an important role in nerve repair. Now, collagen is a protein that is important for health. Vitamin C is necessary for the synthesis of collagen, which helps maintain the structural integrity of the nervous sheath and connective tissue. Without enough vitamin C, the nerve and sheath could weaken and become vulnerable to damage. Vitamin C's powerful antioxidant properties help protect nerves from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm cells, including nerve cells. Vitamin C plays a significant role in supporting the immune system, which helps aid nerve repair when nerves are damaged. Vitamin C in cells neutralizes free radicals that serve to prevent nerve damage and promote nerve healing. Immune cells are sent to the area in response, clearing away waste and promoting healing. Number 1. Vitamin B1 thiamine. One of the essential B-complex vitamins needed for a variety of body functions, including nerve function, is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. It is an important coenzyme for the metabolism of carbohydrates. Thiamine plays an essential role in producing the body's energy from carbohydrates. It is also involved in the production of neurotransmitters, chemicals that help the neurological system communicate with the rest of the body. Vitamin B1 is one of the essential nutrients needed for nerve repair. When nerve damage occurs due to a variety of factors, such as injury, diabetes, alcoholism, or nutritional deficiencies, it can lead to nerve degeneration and dysfunction, which can result in a range of symptoms, including tingling, numbness, weakness, pain, and even paralysis in severe cases. Vitamin B1 can help in repairing nerve damage in a number of ways. Firstly, it promotes nerve growth. Vitamin B1 is involved in the production of a protein also called nerve growth factor, or NGF, which is essential for the survival and maintenance of nerve cells. Low levels of vitamin B1 can lower NGF levels, resulting in nerve degeneration and damage. Vitamin B1 enhances nerve conductivity and is also necessary to produce the fatty layer known as myelin, which protects and insulates nerve fibers. Myelin is vital for the efficient transmissions of nerve signals. Vitamin B1 deficiency results in demyelination, which can result in nerve dysfunction. Increased nerve conductivity and function can also occur due to vitamin B1. It reduces oxidative stress as it's an antioxidant that can protect against reactive oxygen species, or ROS. ROS are toxic chemicals that may harm tissues and cells. Quite importantly, vitamin B1 plays an essential part in the metabolism of carbohydrates, the body's main source of energy, which improves energy metabolism. Vitamin B1 deficiency can result in reduced energy production, which may lead to nerve dysfunction. By improving energy metabolism, vitamin B1 can provide the necessary fuel for neuron repair and function. We hope you found this information useful and informative. We covered 6 key vitamins that can aid nerve repair and function. Each of these vitamins plays a vital role in maintaining healthy nerve function, and incorporating them into your diet can help promote nerve health and aid in the healing process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, comment down below, and check the description for helpful links.